years and years back, cord blood and cord tissue was considered a medical waste. 25 years back, scientists have discovered that it contains stem cells that is as important as bone marrow stem cells. They are very potent and they can replace the damaged cells in the body and make new cells. So I believe a lot that these cells should not be thrown away. That's why we call it treasure of life, because it contains cells that really can replace and change the life of the patient and heal. So inside, in the cord, there are two things. First, we have the cord blood, which is, we extract the stem cell of hematopoietic stem cells, which is FDA approved to treat 80 blood diseases. And then we have mesenchymal stem cells, which is contains rich in wharton jelly, where we are isolating it and culturing it and cryopreserving it until in the future it can be used for treatment, because now currently it's under clinical trials. So I feel like such treasure, why should we throw it away? Because to obtain stem cells from bone marrow, you have to go through a lot of painful procedure and anesthesia. However, what we need is a simple procedure. So this has no pain, has no risk on the mother, neither on the baby. We collect it after the delivery of the 9 months of the mother, and we isolate it, and we get wonderful and more very potent and amazing cells that can be really a future hope for so many patients.